Kenya is set to host a Continental event that will deliberate on infrastructure development, manufacturing capacity and regional economic integration. Organisers of the Africa International Construction Machinery Expo 2026 say the forum will focus on promoting investment, technology transfer, industrialization and trade under the African Continental Free Trade Area.
Kenya possesses tremendous potential to increase exports of value-added products to China. I invite manufacturers, contractors, SMEs, distributors, investors, developers, farmers, industrial professionals, and the wider business community to attend and seize the opportunities before us. Come ready to discover new opportunities, build strategic partnership, explore investment opportunities, and identify new markets.
Coffee cooperatives should accelerate the digitization of their operations to improve efficiency, low transaction costs, and enhance traceability across the value chain. Cooperative Principal Secretary Patrick Kilemi says digital solutions are increasingly critical in meeting international market requirements and boosting confidence in Kenyan coffee. Kilemi is also challenging producers to strengthen compliance with global quality standards to improve access to export markets.
To reduce transaction costs, enhance traceability, and provide farmers with timely access to information. Digital solutions are becoming increasingly important in meeting international market requirements and strengthening consumer confidence in our coffee.
We cannot get these buyers alone. We need your support. Government and export promotion institutions can support regional participation and trade facilitation.